Over the past 11 years, the honored American Veterans Afield has been serving close to 10,000 disabled veterans and their families. Today, HAVA has joined forces with one of our Sig Sauer Academy's elite training instructors to give the Oscar Mike veterans a taste of their Learn to Shoot Again program.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Aurora Sportsman's Club. We've been fortunate enough to be hosted here. I was injured in August 2010 when I lost a leg above the knee, my leg's only that long, and an arm above the elbow in an IED blast while working an IED detection dog. At that point, I'd been a senior firearms instructor for about 14 years. LTSA was born because they said if your guys can teach it and they can walk somebody through it, then they are the epitome of an instructor. And we started traveling the country, and Chris was already shooting competitively and teaching actually able-bodied folks. And we said, let's really make this hum. So that being said, we're gonna roll into our safety brief and get everybody ready to go out there.
The goal is to minimize that trigger jerk. We all have it.
Take this finger, and all you're gonna do is just pull slightly back. The whole concept is, if it's worth firing one shot, 99.9% of the time, if you can get that second shot off, it's worth firing a second shot. We want to build that muscle memory again and build that consistency. Bang! We offer everything all the way up to competitive aspects with long-range rifle and shotgun, so that we can get you guys on that continuing path. So is there anything that anybody has that they'd like to know about or get more engaged with?
Well, we run a program, and every week we have new injured veterans coming in, and they do a range of adaptive sports while they're out, but one of them is shooting. And I think we're always looking for ways to improve our programs, but if there's any way that you could help us maybe improve that program that we run, I'd be appreciative of that. I mean, I know we could probably use a little structure there.
Absolutely, and we can talk more about that, and we can get a plan in place. All right, let's do it.
Hips towards the threat or towards the target.
Thank you to HAVA and SIG and the Oscar Mike family being out here. It's definitely helped me be a better person. It's actually really therapeutic. It's a big stress reliever. Get rounds downrange again. It's nice. It's able to relax.
This has been an exceptional day. Every student we've had has been very motivated. They're learning, and learning is occurring, but beyond learning is teamwork. When Sig Sauer and HAVA have the ability to come out and do this, that is what Oscar Mike is doing every day within all of the aspects of their athletic programs. And this way here, we can expand on what they're doing, bring the expertise that we travel around the country with, and offer to help build their program a little more, give them a little bit more knowledge and experience from what we learn. And that sharing aspect is bringing our team and their team together for the whole.